I stared at the test in my hand. 2 red lines. My breath stopped. No, this can't be happening, I whispered. I sat on the bathroom floor. The room felt smaller and smaller. I tried to breathe, but I couldn't. My hands were cold. My heart was loud. I was 20. I had dreams. I had plans. But in 1 second, everything changed. That night, I told my boyfriend. He looked at me in shock. He didn't speak for a long time. Then he smiled a little.
We'll figure it out,
he said. For a moment, I believed him. He held my hand. He said he loved me. He said he would stay with me no matter what. I felt safe. I felt that maybe everything would be okay. The next day, I told my parents. My mom covered her mouth. My dad stared at me in silence.
You're ruining your life,
he said. My mom cried. They both told me to stop the pregnancy. They said I was too young. They said I didn't know what I was doing. But he stood beside me.
Trust me, I'll take care of you. I'll take care of the baby,
he said. His voice made me calm. I wanted to believe those words. I wanted to believe love was enough. Months passed. My belly grew. My parents were still angry, but they started to talk to me again. I tried to smile, even when I was scared. He came to my doctor visits. He talked about baby names. Sometimes he touched my belly and laughed.
Can you believe we made a tiny human?
He said. I thought we were happy. I thought we were ready. Then the day came. The pain started early in the morning. I called him. He didn't answer. I called again. Still nothing. I thought maybe he was driving. Maybe his phone died. Maybe he was already on the way, but he didn't come. I went to the hospital alone. The pain was stronger every minute. I cried, not only from pain, but from fear. Where was he? Was he okay? Did something happen?
Where is the father?
The nurse asked. He's coming soon, I said. But I knew he wasn't. Hours passed. I gave birth alone. No hand to hold. No voice to calm me down. Only me and the sound of my baby crying. I looked at her small face. She was perfect. Tiny fingers. Tiny lips. She opened her eyes and looked at me. And in that moment, I felt love so strong, it hurt. After 2 days, I went home. Still no message, no call, no visit. I told myself maybe something happened. Maybe he was hurt. Maybe he lost his phone. A week later, a friend called me. Her voice was quiet.
He moved to another city,
she said. My body went cold. I didn't speak.
I saw his post online,
she said.
New city, new job.
No goodbye. Nothing. I sat in silence for a long time. My baby was sleeping beside me. I looked at her face. It's just us now, I whispered. Days turned into months. The first year was the hardest. I didn't sleep much. I cried often. I missed my old life. Sometimes I hated him. Sometimes I missed him. But every time I looked at my daughter, I felt stronger. Her little smile gave me hope. Her laugh made the world softer. She didn't know how much she saved me. Now she is 2 years old. She loves to dance. She loves ice cream. When she laughs, I forget everything else. But sometimes, when I walk in the city, I see my old dreams. I see clothing stores, beautiful dresses, bright lights, and I remember I wanted to be a fashion designer. Now my days are full of baby bottles and toys. My dreams are small, But my love is big, and that love keeps me strong. Some nights I sit on my bed and look at my phone. No message, no call. I think about what I would say if he came back. Would I shout at him? Would I ask why? Or would I just cry? I don't know. But I do know this. I am not the same girl anymore. The girl who cried on the bathroom floor is gone. Now I am a mother, and I am proud of that. Every week, I go to our old cafe. I sit at the same small table by the window. I drink coffee and watch people pass by. Sometimes I tell myself I don't wait for him. But I do. Maybe not to take him back. Maybe just to see him once more. To say thank you. Because he gave me the best reason to keep going. He gave me my daughter. And she is everything. What would you do if you were in her place? Join our English learning journey. Subscribe for more stories in simple English.